Hi, I'm Casey with Big Agnes, and I'm here to tell you about the Fussell Ultralight Quilt. This ultralight quilt goes wherever you go, packing up small and weighing in at only 1 pound. Insulated with 850 filled DownTek, water-repellent down, and featuring snaps that can either close up like a bag or adhere to your pad, this is a warm, technical piece that you'll never forget at home. The Fussell Ultralight Quilt is ideal for hut trips, stargazing by the water, or warm summer nights through hiking. Give yourself a big hug and use the top corner hand pockets to tuck yourself in. It also works well as that extra layer you wish you had over your sleeping bag to provide extra warmth when the temperature drops overnight. It's the perfect companion for wherever you may lay your head. The integrated snap system creates a simplified mummy bag for colder nights and works with any Big Agnes pad size or shape. Attach the integrated snaps to your sleeping pad using the accessory snap patches included. The Fussell Ultralight Quilt is made with a nylon ripstop shell with a water-repellent finish. This ultralight minimalist quilt is ideal for all your summer adventures. Pack it for the trail or use it to wrap up in while watching a free summer concert in the park. You'll be glad you packed the extra 16 ounces whenever you reach for your Fussell Ultralight Quilts.